All right, so this is the first time I've been turned away from a place because of vaccination. I wonder now if it's any of the like touristy type stuff. I was definitely able to go to a restaurant, so really curious to see how this plays out. But yeah, without vaccination, can't ride the Teleferico, can't do Sugarloaf Mountain. So I think I have like maybe one more thing to check off on my list for Rio, and then I'll contemplate moving on elsewhere. The one thing that I have not seen that I was really interested in are all the different fruit juices. So I haven't really seen. I've seen mango and guava and all that kind of stuff, but nothing really like super exotic. So I think I'm gonna try to do a Google search or something, see if I can figure out where I might partake in some exotic fruit juices. So yeah, that's what's going on, man. Gotta be vaccinated, and everyone is there with their phones out showing their vaccination paperwork. So with that being said, it doesn't seem like it'd be too difficult to prove it if all it takes is something on your phone, right? But that's it. Vaxxed up.